Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to the week 3 of Initia Testnet. Fortunately, this week's tasks are very simple and they get easily verified, so it doesn't even take that much time. But before I begin, I'm going to claim my available XP, so I tapped on claimable XP and then I'm going to approve in my wallet. Now I can go on with the testnet. I'm going to scroll to the bottom of my screen. The first task here is to send one init from init to layer 2 Blackwing. So I'm going to tap on the task. We are sending from Initia to Blackwing, so leave the destination network as Blackwing, and then in the slot for recipient, you need to paste another initial wallet address or username. Okay, so if you do not have a wallet address that you can use, you can check the comment section of this video or our Telegram channel. I'm going to have the address pasted on the two platforms. Okay, so I have pasted an initial address and I'm going to indicate the amount of init that I want to send to layer 2. I'll tap on next, tap on confirm. I'll then approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'll go back to the XP page. And you can see our task is immediately verified. I'm really in love with this week's task. There is not much trouble like previous week. So task 2 says to send one init from Initia to layer 2 Noon network. So here we are. I'm going to leave destination network as Noon. Then I'm going to paste the recipient address in the second box. I'm going to indicate the amount of init that I want to send. I'll tap on next, tap on confirm, and then I'll approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'm going back to XP page. I'll move on to task 3, which is to again send one init from Initia to Tucana. I'll paste the address that I want to send to, enter the amount of init that I want to send, then tap on next, tap on confirm, and approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'm going back to XP page. Task 4 says to send one init from Initia to init AI. So I'll tap on it. I'll paste the receiver's address, I'll enter amount, then I'll tap on next. I'm really impressed with today's testnet because the way I see it, it's like when you have Ethereum in your wallet and you want to send ZK Sync ETH to someone, or arbitrum ETH or linear ETH, and what you have in your wallet is Ethereum, and then you just send that funds directly from Ethereum and it arrives in whatever network you are trying to send to your receiver. This is how this works and it is really impressive. So I'll approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'm going back to XP page. Task 4 is yet to be verified, so I'll just move on to task 5 while I wait for 4 to be verified. Task 5 says to send one init from Initia to Minimove. I'll paste the address, I'll enter the amount of init that I want to send, then I'll tap on next. I'll tap on confirm and then approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I'm going back to the XP page. Here we are. Task 4 and 5 has been verified. So I'll move on to task 6, which is to send one init from Initia to Miniwazn. I'll paste the receiver's address, then enter the amount of init that I want to send. I'll tap on next, tap on confirm, and then I'll approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. I am going back to the XP page. Here we are. All 6 tasks for week 3 have been verified immediately after completion. There is nothing else to do at the moment, but then I am yet to feed my journey for this week, so I'll scroll to the top of my screen and then tap on feed journey. Remember, you need to be feeding your journey every, I think, 5 to 7 days or so, because if you fail to do so, your journey will die. I previously have some canned foods left, so I'm going to tap on canned food to feed journey. I'll tap on OK. I'll approve in my wallet. Transaction successful. So that's all you have to do for the week 3 of Initia Testnet. If you have any question on this video or any other video on this channel, do drop me a comment in the comment section of this video. And don't forget to join us on Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section, okay, because some updates don't make it out here on YouTube, so that you won't miss out on any update. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in another tutorial.